ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kalimpong Ilekkai First Meghalaya International Open Grandmasters Chess Tournament araja arpulai Blapinlong the All Meghalaya Chess Association hapo gajungkmi jong All India Chess Federation kelas dang hakakhalai trik unopra araja arpulai hasai indoor training hall hanihu. Hagani Kalimpong Blaplepat ba u Director Jakatran Education and Literacy jong Sarkar Jilla Uswapnal Tembe but ubelongru advisor jong Meghalaya Chess Association la sakhi ke jinge Shim Bynta jong ki Grandmaster ne ki khatwaitli ki ri ke Pyrthei ki bikin thop na kri USA, Russia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Egypt, Georgia, Vietnam, Uzbekistan, Nepal but kumju ki nongile kai ki blawan ne ki jilla ba pher jong kri India. Nakani ke Jilla Meghalaya ki don nyomut ki nongile kai ki bani Shim Bynta haka A category but nrupusan ngut haka B category. Hagani ke sngi blapli perdaya kani ke Limpong ile kai la sakhilang du Assistant Director Jakatran Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sarkar Jilla ubak krubak pasa ublalong kumu sembut kongsan lemba ki dikhot jong Meghalaya Chess Association.
Meghalaya is posted in the northeastern part of India, and here mostly we are tribal. And for a few years, chess is coming up in a very big way. So we are trying our best to promote chess, and with the help of these Grandmasters who have all come to our state, I wish them a very warm welcome. And I think there will be of great help. All the arbiters who have come from different states of India and everyone, and we try to promote chess as much as we can in this, so to say, remote part of India. It is quite a hill station, and you will see the Shillong also. And I think if you haven't heard the name of Shillong, most probably you will have heard the name of Kerala. All better space and also. So I wish that all of you will have a very nice day and best of luck to each and every participant. Not anyone in particular, but all of you who are here attending Group A, and from 15 we are going to start the Group B. That will be below 1600 ready. So we'll try our best to have this tournament which will become one of the best in India.
Because of you, now Meghalaya is very well known in India. I would like to mention one thing to all of you, that here in Meghalaya, if you have time, you please visit. There is one park. That park is known for chess, and that is his institute. And that park is known for chess park. Means community chess is there in that park. And that park is very famous. Everybody is following on YouTube and social media. And now Meghalaya chess is of course climbing talent and doing very good. I observe that Meghalaya has very strong team, very good team. Of course we have Mr. Pyrthei, and we have support from government, and we have eminent persons like Mr. Shim. So of course, on behalf of chess fraternity, I am thanking to Meghalaya chess team.
Meghalaya is a beautiful state, and along with chess, I hope you get the opportunity to enjoy the beautiful landscape of Meghalaya, the beautiful weather of Meghalaya, and this is the perfect time to visit this beautiful state of Meghalaya. So I also want to appreciate all the hard work which Meghalaya Chess Association has been doing. So I wish them all the best, all the volunteers and all the
बहुत कुछ चीज़ का